Hello, everyone. Today we're gathering here to discuss a really cool and huge event which was held previous week, MWC25 in Barcelona. So Sebastian was there, so having a lot of discussions and opportunities. So please, we want you to share your opinion on it, answering several questions. Also, Alex is here with us to participate in the discussion. Yeah, so, but first, can you please just rate your overall experience at the MWC, from 1 to 10, and share your opinion on it?
Hello, everyone. Yeah, I have a chance to be representing Aipix at Barcelona MWC25. According to your question, yeah, my experience, I would say +8 or 9, almost 10. And I will explain you why. The event itself, I would say it was a 10. It was just unbelievable to see so many advances in tech, how big the place was. It was really, really huge. I did more than 35,000 steps every day for 4 days. Wow. So it was really crazy. Yes, it was crazy. Yeah, well, my overall experience, I would say it was 8, 9. Because what I got to see, I was very glad to meet people from Latin America there, decision makers, teams, which is our market, right? Is my market. So yeah, it was a very cool experience. A lot of new devices, technology, it was all about mobile phones, new connections, new services. So yeah. Also, it was cool for me, and I felt really good because all these people from Latin America that I had meetings with, we were speaking in Spanish, which is very natural for me. I generally speak English with you guys, with the team, not everyone, but so it was very comforting. I felt really good. I felt comfortable. And yeah, good opportunities, actually, I would say. I got to meet the real decision makers, people who really made sense to talk to. And I would say my experience was 8, 9 out of 10.
Yeah, I see. You've had positive aspects of it, networking, communication, some mental positive advantages, and also cardio.
Good feelings, right? And cardio, yes, a lot of cardio,
You
which I need.
you walked a lot, and I guess you've managed to visit versatile sessions or see exhibits of the participants. So, which ones stood out for you the most?
Well, this answer I might divide it in two. I would say what was impressive is it was not exactly what we do and our clients. For example, I will tell you that Huawei really, this brand of phones from China, they had a huge hole only for themselves. So there's a lot of money involved in there. New devices, I would say Xiaomi from China too. They had a super extremely beautiful booth, with all their ecosystem, phones, new cameras, new devices for the kitchen, for example, new TVs. It was like the whole ecosystem at home, and even your car, so you can connect all of them on the palm of your hand with your phone, so it was really, really interesting to see. Now, if I come down, if I talk about our leads and our clients or partners that I met, I was surprised to see a few Mexican companies that they invested, and they had a couple of booths, 2, 3, I would say. And yeah, demonstrating what they do. They were ISP mostly. So new services, how they really take the leap from the Americas up to Europe, just to show what they have to create new partnerships. And for myself, I had the chance to talk to them, and I was really impressed that they are able to do that. So yeah, that's why it stood out the most.
And I think that despite the fact of in our age of high communication technologies, distances are losing importance, but the direct and personal contact is the most effective and the most important way to establish cooperation. Do you agree?
I totally agree with that. I will say that it's an excellent point Because Alex, we talk to them, we have calls with them, we exchange emails with clients over there, but this time was a bit different, right? They saw me representing the company, and all of you guys, with me. They saw that we're a real and professional company. We're serious, and this human interaction was very heartwarming, I would say. And you can build, and we build trust, as you just said, like this human interaction is very trust. Exactly.
To build trust personally. Yeah.
Yeah.
True.
That's cool. Like, you've discussed some networking opportunities. Can you a bit elaborate on this term? I've heard that you mentioned a lot of connections, a lot of warm emotion that you've had from it. But concerning the organization, was it enough for you, and comfortable?
Yeah, I believe so. What about this interaction and networking? It works pretty much both ways. They come all the way. I'm talking about the Latin American clients here, and they come all the way from the Americas up to Europe, and they have this passion also to show what they have, right?
Yeah.
To show what their service are about, etc. Which is on the same for me. I went there with all the energy and all the wish to tell them what we have and what we are doing here. So this cohesion and this mix of feelings for both sides, it's something that creates this connection and this networking, and it makes it much easier. Even better if we speak the same language.
Yeah. Great synergy, you mean? Yeah. Totally.
Exactly. Yeah, totally. It's a synergy that you just said. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
And it makes it easier to network in this case. So, yeah.
I can clearly see that after Sebastian's participation in this event, the interest of our potential clients, of our potential partners in our platform, VSaaS platform of Aipix, has increased significantly. And I think that this personal contact is the reason. Great job.
True. Thank you. My pleasure to represent you, all of us. So, yeah.
Yeah.
It's true. Absolutely, yes.
Events always drive this boosting the communication and the process of connection with the leads, with the clients, obviously. So maybe you can share some interesting insights. So you've communicated with so many experts, really, you've seen many sessions or heard them. So some insights, really something mind-blowing, or just maybe something new for you personally.
Mm-hmm. Well, mind-blowing things. I saw many these robots with AI that they speak to you like they're just another human. But yeah, if I get to talk to the networking part and this connection with many professionals and people that have been 20 years, 25 plus years in the market or in the area of telecommunications, sometimes I gotta say, and very honestly, that it was a bit overwhelming at times. Like, they will come and tell you all these technical words, which I can understand, but sometimes it was just a bit too much. But at the same time, you have to be honest enough to ask back. If you don't understand, I wasn't just like, oh yeah, whatever you say, and blah, blah, blah. I was asking back, so they see the real interest, and the same from my side. So some things that I can highlight, it's the way that they understood Aipix Platform, our product, the value they understood that we're trying to bring, security wise in Latin America, or maybe the business side of the things as well, which is very important. There is a lot of investment in there, so people spend money, and it's not only to show off their newest phone or their newest technology, it's mostly, and it all comes down at the same time, at the end of the day, it's business. So the commercial part, how they understood the value we bring to telcos and to ISPs, that was very interesting. And they were very surprised, most of them, that they never saw a solution like that. This cloud-based video surveillance service, and the way that they can connect that to any clients, or B2B, B2C, even B2G, um, and make money out of it, monetize it. So that was really, really cool. Yep.
Yeah, like we can really like know that we are part of this world, and everyone like understand it, that we are part of this innovative world. Yes. So
Yes. Also, I want to point out, like Alex said, the same results that we've been getting after this conference, after MWC, like, more leads, more people interested in the product, more people following our pages. This is brand awareness. It's really vital for businesses like ours. So yeah, picking up Alex's words. Picking up Alex's words. I would say that this brand awareness, the way that we're showing ourselves around, and the way that we are being noticed, we're being followed more on social networks, or we're being contacted more by leads and clients. It just shows that events like this are not only just to go and see and take photos and make posts on LinkedIn. They also real, and they really bring communication. I mean, really bring good conversations. Conversations that really make sense. So,
like this won't be the beginning of the process. Like all of these leads and clients come into our pages. This is the first stages. Then goes the communication, the decision making, the contracts, and we are moving closer to the safer and smarter world. Like is our more to say. So yes, like this leverages these connections and partnership opportunities. Yeah.
totally. That was my point. Exactly. Yes.
So I guess we've discussed a lot. Really, just so many things were said. So maybe some like the conclusion, the summarizing up everything that was said, and some maybe words for the future. So
Well, it's very hard to put it into a few words. As I said, for me, I was glad that what we have, it really makes sense to them. It really brings them commercial opportunities, right? I also, in the moment that I was explaining our solution, many of these people were giving me new ideas how to implement it in their countries, or how to do different kind of business, or they were thinking about new clients, to whom we can serve, to whom we can reach. I would say that was really, really impressive. It was really impressive. I mean, the way that they were like thinking, like bringing up, oh, okay, so you have this video surveillance platform, cloud-based as a service. So not only for the B2B, B2C, but maybe we can, I don't know, implementing in our own office. We can have our demo, our pilot in our own office. We can reach out to people in the countryside, for example, that they have like little communities, and it's like maybe a couple of hundred houses, and keep the security there, and bring the same service that they have in the city for people in the rural side of the countries, So yeah, all these ideas, all this exchange of ideas and conversations, it was really, really impactful, I think. And also, like we were talking with Alex these days, it's a way that how people are seeing Aipix as a trusted partner, some company that it's real, it's serious, it's professional, and we're the best at what we do. So yeah, I think like in a few comments.
it was like,
And from my part, I want to say that don't hesitate to contact us, because we have a lot of things to show, a lot of insights and experience to share with you. And Poland is easier than you think.
Yes, absolutely.
Bienvenidos.
Exactly that. And yeah, good point, Alex, because many people were saying, but man, you're a guy from Chile working in Poland at a Polish company. How come? They were many times they were surprised. What are you doing there? But yeah, I mean, as for me, it was just a no-brainer. It's a company that I know for some long time, with this new product, barely new product. The experience, I think that is a key word, Alex, that you just said. The experience that we have, that the company has, the team, it really stands out. You know, it seems it means that we're really good at what we do. So as I said, don't have
Despite of all technologies and the robots, the human focus is still more important. Yeah.
absolutely, yes, I totally agree with that. Yeah, so don't hesitate. Llámenos.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, Sebastian. Thank you so much, Alex, for participating in this discussion. So
Yeah, it was a pleasure for me. We are here to answer all your questions. With Alex, we work together, and don't hesitate to call us, to email us. We have a lot to show, and muchas gracias. Thank you very much for having me. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you a lot. Muchas gracias y hasta la próxima. Nos vemos.
Have a good one.
Bye bye.